Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss general pharmacology and particularly we are going to discuss a number of parts. So let's start with different phases of clinical trials. So we have the important table, that is phases and synonyms. Then second column consists of number of subjects, third column type of subject involved, and fourth column consists of type of study. Then fifth column consists of what is the principal aim of study, and last column consists of duration, cost and its success rate. So let's start phase first. Phase first clinical trials is also known as human pharmacology. It is first done in human. Before that, pre-clinical trials exist. After the pre-clinical trials, this is the first phase in human. So it is known as human pharmacology or first in human. So number of subjects involved are 10 to 100. And what type of subjects are? Usually they are healthy volunteers. Occasionally they may be patient with advanced or rare diseases. So what type of study involved? That is open label study. What type of study involved? That is open label study. It is done for safety and to know the safety, tolerability and to know the maximum tolerable dose. So principal aim of phase plus first clinical studies, that is safety, tolerability and to know the MTD, that is maximum tolerable dose. Then what is the cost, duration and rate of success? So it will range from months to 1 year. The duration will be month to 1 year and it will involve around 10 million US dollar cost. The cost for phase first clinical trial is around 10 million US dollar. So 50% success rate will be there in case of phase first. So this is the phase first of clinical trials. Next one is phase second. Phase second of clinical trials is also known as therapeutic exploitation phase. It is also known as therapeutic exploitation phase, or it is a first in subjects or first in patient. So number of subjects involved are 50 to 500 subjects are involved. Then type of subject, which type of subjects are there? Patient or subject receiving the experimental drug. Patient or subject receiving the experimental drug. Then what type of study is there? Randomized or controlled studies there, which can be placebo controlled or maybe blind. So what is the aim of this phase second? That is, it is used to determine the efficacy and dose ranging establishment. The main aim of a phase second clinical trial is establishment of dose and efficacy. So it will have 1 to 2 year of duration and will cost around 20 million US dollar and 30% is the success rate. Then phase 3 of clinical trial. Phase 3 of clinical trial is also known as therapeutic confirmation. It is known as therapeutic confirmation phase or multi-site trial. So how many subjects are involved? Few hundred to thousand subjects are involved in this study. Then what type of study is there? Type of subjects are there? Patient, subject receiving the experimental drug, same as that phase second. Okay. Then what type of study is there? That is randomized and control studies there, which can be placebo control or blind. The control may be placebo or blind. So randomized and control can be placebo or blind. Then what is the aim of this study? To confirm the efficacy in larger population. What is the aim of this study? To confirm the efficacy in larger population. And what are the duration? There is no fixed. Next one is phase 4 of clinical trials. That is also known as post-marketing surveillance. And how many number of subjects involved? Many thousand number of subjects are involved, because it is a post-marketing surveillance. That means after the approval of drug. So what type of subject involved in this study? Patient in treatment with approved drug, because that drug is already approved for the treatment. So patient in treatment with approved drug. So what type of study is this? This is open label study. And what is the principal aim of this study? That is adverse drug reaction, to determine or to identify the possible adverse drug reaction, patient compliance, compliance of drug, and drug interaction. So adverse drug reaction, compliance of drug, and drug examination phase 0. So what are the subjects involved in this phase 0? It is also known as microdosing study. Phase 0 is also known as microdosing study. So what type of subjects are involved? That is healthy volunteers. Healthy volunteers are involved in this study, and small number are there. The aim of this phase 0 clinical trial is to know the pharmacokinetic of API or drug. So these are the 5 different types of phases of clinical trial. These are the 5 phases of clinical trials. Phase first is nothing but human pharmacology. Phase first is nothing but human pharmacology. Phase second is nothing but therapeutic exploitation. Phase third is nothing but therapeutic confirmation. Phase 4 is nothing but post marketing surveillance. And phase 5 is not there. Phase 0 is nothing but microdosing study. Okay, so these are the different phases of clinical trials. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is Sachin Jadhav from Fundamental Pharmacy, winding up today's session. That was the phases of clinical trials. So if you want this kind of study material, you can contact me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number, and you can call on this number. So we have our examination portal, that is fundamentalpharmacy.com. You can go there, sign up, and you can attempt the demo test. There we have subject wise test and subject wise test for GPAT Niper Drug Inspector Pharmacist and GPAT Niper online test series. You can join our WhatsApp group. You will have to just say hi and your name and college name on this number on WhatsApp. I will add you in our WhatsApp groups. We have different type of WhatsApp group. We have more than 30 WhatsApp group. We have separate group for girls. We have paid group for this type of notes. So bye bye. And if you do not have subscribed our channel until, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the upcoming videos notification. Okay, thank you.